I just want to introduce our beloved President, Executive Committee. She is a great leader, and because of her and her team, we are seeing the event that you have seen for last 2-3 days. Here is Naina.
Thank you, Biden. On behalf of the Hindu Society of Minnesota, the Trustee Executive Council, and the Executive Committee, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude and appreciation, first of all, to all the visiting priests. You all did a phenomenal job. We have seen the vibration, and I have already got feedback the very first day on Friday that this is something that the community has never seen in the past. I'm very, very grateful to you all. I would also like to extend my gratitude and appreciation to all the Ritvicks who have come from around the country to make this event a grand success. Our temple and our community is truly honored to host you, and hope you had a good experience over here. Also, the religious committee under the leadership of Bala Subramaniam, I am so thankful to you. And as Bala said, it's been 6 months. It is not 6 months. We started in October, before you went to India. And it took us this long a time to put this event together, and we wanted to make sure that every step of the way and every aspect of this program will be flawless without any problems. Of course, we do have problems, but we didn't want it to have any major problems and make this event a success. Thank you, Bala. I also want to thank all the religious committee members and the volunteers who helped Bala with the planning and execution of this event. Along with that, we also have a lot of volunteers behind the scenes that have worked so selflessly in the kitchen, on the web, and front desk, and I name it, and we have had the flowers and everything was so well organized, and I really want to thank all the volunteers from the bottom of my heart. I made a list so I should not forget everything. Above all, I want to thank our 5 outstanding temple priests. They have worked tirelessly under the leadership of Mama. And as you know, Mama has gone through quite a bit in the last 1 month, and we really, really want to extend our appreciation to you. Last but not the least, Narendra Venkata, who is our manager, and Anu Panda, who is our administrative assistant. Stand up, Anu, let everybody see you. I have to really tell you about Anu Panda's patience. I used to call her in the afternoon and say, you need to get this flyer on the website now. And she would say, give me a few minutes, I will have it on the website. And she has worked patiently and very, very diligently to make sure that every communication to the community as well as around the country was sent on time. And I also want to say that you went above and beyond. Thank you. However, no matter how hard we all work, how hard the priests work, or the Ritvicks, or the community, or the volunteers, this event would have been just an event if it was not for the devotion and the participation of the community and the devotees sitting in this room. You made this a super grand event. Without you, it would just be a normal event. So we really want to thank you. Give a big hand to yourself too. Once again, before I end, I really want to thank all the volunteers who have worked diligently. My heart goes out to you, and my deepest appreciation to you all. Thank you.